Welcome student in the class Easy Learning of Primavera P6. In today's session we'll learn about calendar. So whenever you want to map a new project, it is advisable for project team to create a new calendar so that you can modify it as per your project plan and you can assign to the activity as well as a project. So we'll go to enterprise and go to the calendar. You will find a calendar window displayed here. Here there are three options: the global calendar, resource calendar and project calendar. So these are the inbuilt calendars are there in system. So now our requirement is we have to create a new calendar. So we have to click on add button, and this global calendar, select one calendar to copy from. So system is asking you to copy one calendar which will be a new calendar and you can modify later on. So normally we take a corporate standard full-time calendar. So we select it. So here the calendar, new calendar displayed, you can rename it. So I'll be renaming it as a TRG 3, right? So you have to make it default, select it. Now this TRG003 is selected, so you can click on modify, so you can modify the calendar. So here is a total work hours. You can see here is a total is 8 hours. If you click on 13, you find 0 as this is a gray color is a holiday, non-work, right? If you want to see the work hours per day, you can just simply click and see here how many hours that day working will be there. So for example, you want to make it, this is a work on 17, you want to make a non-work, then you click on non-work. So it becomes holiday and this will be 0 here. You want to set a work week, you can set a work week. Like for example, our class is on a Sunday, so Monday will be holiday, right? So you can click OK. So you find a Sunday will be working day and Monday will be holiday, right? So this way you can make a new calendar. You can change work non-hour day. The second option in this here is a detailed work hours. So here one window will appear. In this window you will able to see this is the work hour from 8 to 15. For example, if you want to make this as a non-work day, as a lunch break, so you can make it. So automatically the work hour will be reduced and you can modify. Same way you can modify the calendar as per your project plan, right? So once done, then you can click OK. You can click close. So now your new calendar has been created. Now if you go to calendar, if you go to project window and click on default, you will find a calendar here. So you can select it. Is a now full-time standard for corporate standard full-time calendar is assigned. So you can change it. Is your calendar is displayed here, so you can select it, right? So this calendar has been selected for the project virtual class Primavera P6, right? The same way you can select the calendar for activity as well. So student, in this session this is all. Stay tuned and get benefited for a next class.